67 Camaro sprayed gunmetal gray metallic. Oh, hello. We haven't even done any wet sanding or buffing, and it turned out really nice. Reflections look really good. Let's go over here to the fenders. Very nice. Gunmetal gray metallic. The hood's really nice. Hood turned out really good, really sharp. Let me see if I got enough light. We can get this backside. Backside turned out really good too. As you can see, there's a lot of clear. I think we went through about 2 gallons. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, about 2 gallons. There she is. Oh, let's go to this side. We didn't do this side.